Hey fam, welcome back to DAT Family 5. My name is Atoya. I am the wife of Doug and the mother of Rayne, Mamie, and Ezekia, and the fur mama of Yorkie, Oreo, Topaz, and now Remy. And so today we will be unboxing our new shampoo cleaner. Y'all have already seen it in the last two videos. So I wanted to go ahead and show y'all how we got together. So thank you so much and enjoy.
I got you by my side. You by my side.
Feels right when it's wrong. I've stayed here too long, but something brings me back to you. I swear we belong. I'm still hanging on, but something brings me back to you. Back to you, 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 back to you.
Alright, so I've already did this. I'm curious on how to and where. So we're gonna go over the tools. Is I'm guessing maybe. Ah. Okay, so this this right here is the 2-in-1 antimicrobial tool. Allows you to choose between two inserts. The rubber insert is for unpleasant stain removal and hygienic cleanup. The bristle insert is for tough scrubbing power. So here, we like scrubbing power. So. Pretty cool. And everything goes in the hose. So that's the spray nozzle right there. Scrub power. Good. Good, good. Release. Perfect. I think this is the 8-inch one. Stair stool, 6-inch wide with 2 built-in rows of bristles for cleaning carpeted stairs. So 2 rows wide. It's very wide, so good stairs. This one is the crevice tool for around the baseboards. Who would have thunk it? So let's see if I can figure out how to add the holes too. Y'all ready to see this? Alright. So the holes, see this circle right here? The holes go. Turn it? Like, what is he telling me? Sometimes it pays to pay to read the directions, so we're gonna take it out. Ooh. So on here, there is a lock and a unlock lock icon, and pretty much you put these areas in there straight up and down, like this. So straight up and down and turn. And turn to lock. So there's an arrow right here. And you take this. See those? See that right there? And you just push that in. Yeah. And that's how you use the hose. Pretty darn cool. And then you just unlock again. We'll just pull this out. And unlock. Hang it to dry. I kind of wish she had somewhere for the hose to go to, if that makes sense. And it hanging in the bag. If that makes sense. Yeah. Though I do like the storage bag. It's pretty cool. Maybe I could just hang it on there. When it's not being used. So I'm going to show y'all the box.
You give me feelings that I never knew. This heart of mine will always and forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe.
So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing with me of my new scrubber carpet cleaner. And so I appreciate y'all so much. If you haven't yet, please consider to subscribe to this channel. Make sure you like and comment down below. What is your carpet cleaner? Are you in the market for a carpet cleaner? Are you? I'm gonna use this Hoover. I'm gonna review it for y'all, and that's gonna be another video, because of course we're gonna do some cleaning motivation with it. All right, thank y'all so much. We'll see y'all soon.
Be my guiding star, 'cause I need your loving, baby.